Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the technical trader at TechTrader.com. It's Thursday, February the 13th. These are the charts of the day. And as we do every Thursday, a swing trade review analysis of what's still open. As you know, the market's been good to us and caught some by surprise to the downside. But that's what stops you for. Anyway, let's start with AMPX. After a nice 5-wave move up in leg one, we had a 3-wave corrective and 2, and then 3 and 4. I still think a 5th wave is coming. 6.25 is my target. ASTS finally broke out of a 4 or 5 month declining channel after a big run up and saw it go from 2 to 39. Pretty big move. This spike up recently, followed by the 2-day pullback and today's reversal of 249 or 9%, leads me to believe we're going higher for a retest of 38. Current targets are 33 and 38. BBAI. Well, after exploding out of this coil, coming from 3.5, it's tripled to 1049. It's at the top of the channel and extended, but has clear momentum with great technicals. I suspect we may get to 1213 short term. We'll see. Black Sky, another tech trader swing that popped out, pulled back and tested, ran up, and now it's flagging. Really like the look of this one. I think it pops near term. Once you get past 1830, 21 and 25 are targets. CLPT popped out and broke out and pulled back. We put a swing on it in December. It's gone from 14 to about 20, actually 19.25, and it's been flagging for about 3 weeks. A takeout here gets me the mid channel around 22.3, and then upper channel 27.8. Generics exploded, wedged, and we put a swing on it. I think it's around 2.75. It's almost doubled to 458, about 80%, and continues to look like a $5 and then $6 stock. CRMD, after a big run August through October, we had that 2-month falling wedge. Breakaway gap, rising channel took us right to resistance, pulled it back to test support at the gap and at the 50. So far it's holding. What I really need to see is a move through 10, 80, 85, and then you got a shot at 12 and 14 again. CROX on the short side really worked well for us as it rolled over from 110.12 all the way down to 88. Today, big earnings report, and it spiked back up and broke out. You're covered as of this point. HSAI, spike wedge, we put a swing on it, just kept running, and right now it's run last week to tag 1999 from the 6-7 zone. Very nice swing. So far, so good. It looks even higher. But it is extended. INOD broke out today. We put a swing on. I love this look. After a move that saw it go from 12.75 into the 50s, it took a few months of consolidation. Broke out today by running from 43.5 to 54.5 and finishing just 8 cents off the high of 10.58. Looks like this is going to blow into the high 60s and then high 70s. That's my swing targets. KODK, we put that on today. I just feel like what I'm seeing here is a long base, a rounding base. It's coming out of it. My target on this one is going to be about 11 and eventually 14 and 17. LEU broke out of the base, retested, falling wedge, broke out again. It's had a mini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is at resistance, so it could pull back. But momentum might take it to 150. It's a member of that energy group. OKLO, same thing here. Nuclear energy, strong surge, consolidate, pop, and wedge. We went long. It's moved from 24 range to 59, believe it or not, and it's wedging in here. Next target, 73.4. SCRB broke out of a wedge recently, went through a double top. Today was a special day for it, up 322, 16.5%. I think it's going to go from here, and especially if we get through the double top, 24.25, it might be high 20s quickly. Shopify broke out of a wedge. We put a swing on it. It consolidated and then moved higher, holding the moving averages while all along. Today was a new 3-year high. Channel top target is 148.55. TELADOC broke out here. We put a swing on it. Went vertical and then pulled back. Held the support level. Today reversed $1.18, 9.5%. I like this for a move to 16. And TSSI, we put that on not too long ago and was trading around 12.75. It went up to 17 18 and a quarter, and then backed off. I think this has got legs to go to 22 and eventually high 20s. And finally, REP, beautiful long-term chart. Breakout, retest, coil, and today it popped. Now, a lot of volume on it, but a $250,000 share is a pickup in volume. I'm now looking for 235, 285, eventually 3.5 and 4.5. That's it for tonight. A review of the current existing swing trades. This is HB out. Have a great evening.